Listen carefully. This prayer is for you. Stop for a moment, take a deep breath, and open your heart. God knows exactly what you need right now, and He brought you here for a reason. I know life has been hard. Maybe disappointment has weighed heavily on your spirit. Maybe unanswered prayers have left you feeling lost. Or maybe fear and anxiety keep you awake at night. You've been carrying burdens alone, and the weight feels unbearable. But God sees every tear, every struggle, and every quiet cry of your heart. Father, I lift up my beloved child reading this prayer. You know their heart, every wound, every fear, and every place they feel weak. Lord, meet them right where they are. Pour your peace over their soul. Calm every anxious thought, and let them feel your love in a real, tangible way. Heal the broken places, restore hope, and give them strength to rise above every challenge. Lord, touch every area of their life that has been blocked, delayed, or overshadowed by doubt. Let your favor flow freely in their finances, relationships, health, and every dream you have placed in their heart. Replace fear with courage, sorrow with joy, and despair with hope. Let them feel your presence so strongly tonight that every worry fades and every burden lifts. If you are praying this with me, type Amen in the comments and believe with all your heart that God is already moving on your behalf. Tonight, chains are broken, doors are opened, and miracles begin to manifest. Every tear they have shed will turn into testimony, every struggle into strength, and every prayer into blessing. Father, I declare healing, favor, protection, and breakthrough over this life. Let them awaken tomorrow renewed, strengthened, and filled with your peace. Let joy overflow, let blessings abound, and let your divine plan unfold perfectly in their life. Rest now, beloved. God is at work even while you sleep. Your prayers have been heard, your heart is being renewed, and your life is about to change in ways only He can orchestrate. Sleep in peace, knowing you are seen, loved, and deeply cared for. This prayer is for you, and it will bring the breakthrough you've been waiting for.